Hello students, I am going to make two big announcements today. First announcement, LevelUp IAS is launching its entire history optional course on YouTube. Every day, one classroom lecture will be released on YouTube. These are our exact same classroom videos which will now be released for you publicly. There are about 180 lectures of both paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is taught by Vishal sir and paper 2 is largely taught by me. These lectures take you from very basic fundamental level to the level required by UPSC to clear the examination with 300 plus score. Please understand that to get 300 plus, you need your preparation to be at two levels. The first level is the basic narrative level of understanding. In this, you understand major themes, basic facts, timeline of major events, important dynasties and eras, causes, consequences of major dimensions, etc. But it is 60% of your task. There is beyond some basic next level, and the real preparation which actually gives you 280 or 300 plus marks is that remaining 40%. The second level is called as perspective level understanding. In this, we focus on analytical understanding, various perspectives, debates, how to use historiography, etc. This is the most exciting part of history. Our classroom lectures videos on YouTube will prepare you for both these levels, narrative as well as perspective, completely and thoroughly in about 180 plus lectures. I assure you that this is the most comprehensive program you can find anywhere. Students can watch all the lectures for completely free. You don't have to join History Optional Foundation batch anywhere ever. This is going to be your one-stop solution. However, we also understand that watching the lectures merely is important, but the first step only. Apart from gaining that knowledge, you also need to learn how to apply the knowledge, that is, understand the art of answer writing, practice it thoroughly and get all the doubts that you may have resolved by experienced experts. It requires personal mentoring, and it is at this stage where we want to focus personally. Thus, there is the second announcement. We are now starting weekly sessions for answer writing, doubt solving and mentoring of all the registered students. It will take place every Sunday throughout the year for the entire year. We call it Sunday Live. In this, we will do two things. First, whichever part of history preparation you are at the beginner or later or senior, if you have any doubt, submit them to us. We will resolve it personally for you every Sunday. So आपको YouTube पे lectures देखने के साथ साथ हर doubt को resolve करने का मौका मिलेगा. We'll remain in touch throughout the year, whichever level of preparation you are at. And the second thing, we will also provide 2 to 4 practice questions every week. Every Sunday, we will discuss the questions thoroughly along with approach and structure required to score the highest marks. We will also share the model answers with you. Our focus will remain on improving your understanding through analytical approach as well as updating your historiography. If you are watching our lectures on YouTube, this Sunday Live would be a perfect match. However, even if you have done foundation course of history earlier from anywhere else, or you want to do self-study on your own, जो आजकल बहुत students कर रहे हैं, or even after giving multiple main examinations, your marks are not increasing, or if you just need some guided support and direction for entire year of history optional preparation, come and join us in Sunday Live. You can join Sunday Live at any time of the year. It will be provided for all registered students in both online and offline modes. The fees is kept very minimal at 10,000 rupees for the entire year, in which we will meet at least 52 times to solve all your personal queries, write hundreds of answers, upgrade the knowledge of historiography and stay focused with guided preparation. Understand that in history optional, it is the individual personal hand-holding which is the most important thing. There are many books and notes and guides and teachers and tricks and strategies available everywhere. What is not out there is a proper direction, guided approach and personalized hand-holding. It is there we want to focus. The details of how to participate are given in the description below. Join us to level up your preparation of history optional. See you soon.